All right, we've been talking about damage to trees and cars and homes from the snowstorm, and we've had several questions from you about coverage on our Facebook page. Throughout the newscast, the Rocky Mountain Insurance Information Association will answer those questions. The first one comes from Anna Walters-Hewson. If a neighbor's tree falls on your power line or damages your property, the question is, who pays?
If your neighbor's tree falls onto your roof of your property, that's likely going to be your own homeowner's insurance that will cover that, unless your neighbor was negligent for some reason. They'd been asked to remove that tree. It was a dead tree. If it falls onto a power line, that tree, then it's likely going to come into play with the power company.
Okay, we're answering another insurance question from viewer Adam Dory about snowstorm damage. He asks, if a neighbor's tree limb falls on my fence, whose insurance covers the repair, and is it worth a claim?
If your tree falls on your neighbor's fence, it's likely going to be their homeowner's insurance that will cover that property damage. But also look at how expensive that fence is. If it's just minor maintenance damage that comes under that deductible, $500 or so, it may not be worth filing a claim.
All right, we're answering another question about snowstorm damage. This one comes from Jim Blazier. He's asking, my neighbor's tree fell and crushed our dogwood tree. Who's responsible for the cleanup and the dogwood?
That's a common question where people ask, well, when we have this kind of wet, heavy snow, does it pay to actually replace the trees? It doesn't, because that becomes prohibitively expensive. That is something that isn't covered. However, the damage done by the tree and the cost to clean it up is covered by homeowners insurance.
Good to know.